Hi, I'm Gaynor and today I'm going to show you a few different techniques crocheting front post and back post stitches in trebles to show you how to make a basket weave pattern and also how to do some simple cabling. So if you've never done a front post or a back post treble before, don't be scared, they're very simple and I'm going to show you how to do it. Also reading a chart. So this is one of the charts. So now we're going to do the simple cable pattern. Again, I've got a chart to follow, and this is the basic cable pattern here. You can see there's the back, there's the front. So this time I'm going to start with a chain of 29. So 3, and I will just count them as I go. So miss the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and around the next 3, you're going to do front post trebles. There's 1, yarn over twice from the front around,